What if you could double your output without a new CNC machine? You don't need a new machine tool. You need to get more out of the ones you already have. That's easier than you might think. Imagine the impact on your customer deliveries and your bottom line. It's 4:30, you get a panicked phone call, hang up and walk out on the shop floor. You enter the raw and finished parts dimensions, the number of pieces in the order, place the raw parts on the table, press the green button, and leave. Just in time to get caught in the 5 o'clock rush hour. Next morning, the work is done, the parts are ready for delivery. Fairy tale? Actually not. It's a machine shop much like yours. The difference is that the machine shop has a purpose-built CNC machine tending robot from RoboJob USA. One shop has control over production and costs. The other one little robot makes a gigantic difference. To discover how much difference we can make in your machine shop, call us at 866-952-9020 and press 1 to start the conversation. RoboJob USA, first in CNC automation.